So I managed to tell myself that I'm gonna do a lot of vlogs, more vlogs, and everything else. Just yeah, what happened was this really bad thing. I'm gonna try to pull up. Okay, so I've said to myself I'm gonna start to do a lot of videos, a lot of vlogs for July, and today's the 15th of the mid month of July, and I haven't done anything. I even haven't gone to the gym or did some rigorous exercises, so all the plans went out the window. It's really tough, and it's winter right now. It's really cold every day. We're pumping up the heaters, and I'm having dry skin at the moment because we've been trying to cope up with the cold. Also, I still have uni coming August, so yeah, this never-ending thing. Anyway, yep. Nice to see you guys, and yeah, I just want to check out this update for my FX3, which is Cine EI. It has new setting, and you have to learn from it. You have to go do a lot of stuff to get it working, but should be fine, right? How do you see? I'm using a lot to just check how this thing goes, but either way, let's see how this goes in post processing. I just want to say hi to you guys, and just to tell you that I'm still alive and still here, though I haven't done what I've planned to do, and I've gone fat. Look at how I look. I've gone fat. It could be a shirt only, but yeah, I've gone fat. It's been gaining a lot of weight. Either way, just want to say hi, and I hope I can move my vlogging files queue over there, because they're going out of date. And what's gonna happen is they're gonna end up on my hard drive and not being uploaded, and it won't be relevant if I upload in a later time. But we'll see. But other than that, nice to see you guys.